health aspects of the alimentary canal. In previous class we learned about the digestive system. You know already about the digestive system. Already practiced the digestive system. Yes sir, what are the things are there in the digestive system? What are the things are there in the digestive system? Just recollect the what you are learning. What are the things are in the digestive system? Mouth will be there. First mouth will be there. Yes or no? You know already the mouth will be there, and after esophagus, and after stomach will be there. Yes or no? Stomach will be there, and stomach after duodenum, duodenum after small intestine, small intestine will be there. Yes or no? And small intestine after what will be there? Yes, yes. Large intestine will be there. Yes or no? Large intestine will be there. Finally, anus will be there. So it is the starting point is mouth, mouth to the anus. These are the, it is alimentary canal. Okay. So in the mouth, what are the things are there? Already you know. Yes or no? Already we discussed these all the things in previous class. Teeth and tongue will be there, and the esophagus, you know, ear. Okay. So in esophagus, what happens already learned. In the stomach, what is happens? What are the things are there? What happens in the stomach? What are already learned. And next we will about the and here and the duodenum will be there. In duodenum, what are the glands will be there? What are the glands will be there in duodenum? Liver will be there, and the pancreas will be there. These glands will be there. And after that, small intestine and the large intestine, colon and the anus. Today's topic is health aspects. What is the meaning of health? Health is nothing but the functioning of the different organs which are present in the digestive system. If it is good, it will work properly. If it is not good, it is not doing well, what happens? We will get some health aspects. Generally, what is the use of the digestive system? Can you tell me? Listen properly. What is the use of the digestive system? What is the use of the digestive system? The digestive system will digest our food. What you are taking inside, it will be digested by the digestive system. It is digested by the digestive system. What is the meaning of digestion? Already explained. Digestion is nothing but what you are taking food like proteins, carbohydrates and fats, those will be break down into small pieces. Those will be break down into small pieces in the stomach, in the mouth, in the small intestine, and finally they will be entered into the blood. That is meaning of digestion. Okay. So you must remember about what is the use of the digestive system. What is the function of the digestive system? Daily you are taking food that is digested by digestive system only. If it is not healthy, what happens to us? That is the today's topic, health aspects. If the digestive system is not good, what happens to you? Those are the things we discuss. Generally in the mouth, what will do? We will masticate. That is called mastication. You have to remember. With the help of the teeth and the tongue, we masticate our food, and the bolus will enter into the esophagus. And the esophagus, there is a which type of movements are there? Peristatic movements are there. With the help of the peristatic movements, food will enter into the stomach. In the stomach, it will be churned and mixed. In your house, in our kitchen, what happens? Can you tell me? That mixture will be there, na? Mixie. It will what it will do? It will break small pieces. Same here also. In the stomach also, the food will be break small pieces. Finally, it will enter into the small intestine in a churn, in the small powder-like substance, a cream-like substance. Finally, it will enter into the blood. That is called absorption. What you are taking for finally will enter into the blood. The remaining waste, undigested food, the undigested food will enter into the large intestine. Finally, will come out from the anus. This is the process of the digestion. When you are chewing, when you are masticating the food, you improper masticating will leads to the stomach will not accept that food. What happens? You will get vomitings. From the mouth, food will come out. The food what you are taking food, that will not be good cut, that will not be the properly cooked, it will not properly cooked, that also will get vomitings. Not only that, the food is spoiled with microorganisms, that also will be rejected by the stomach, that's why we get the vomitings, nausea sensation. If it's, your health is not good, also we get vomiting sensation sometimes. The microbes which is present in your food, so that will cause and first vomiting sensation will come. In rainy season we feel that because the house flies will move one place to another place. They will be okay stand on the food. What happens? So their legs will contain some microbes that will be there on the food. That food if you take means will get vomitings, even the motions also. Both sides will be affected. So that is the thing. That's why in the rainy season and winter season, you have to take the food, cooked food immediately. You have to take, means warm. Okay. So if it is cold, better to again you have to warm and you have to take. General that time what happens? The microorganisms will be killed. Okay. Next one is if you have to take greenish vomitings. Sometimes greenish vomitings will come from the mouth. Because if you take more fatty food, what is the meaning of fat? Fat is nothing but a more oil food if you take, that turn into the greenish color. That is called a greenish vomitings. That is nothing but one name is given. When you have a greenish vomiting, usually called bilious and liverish. Bilious or liverish. Why it is given liverish and bilious? You know bile juice? The liver will release the bile juices. What is the use of the bile juices? It will turn the fats into similar form. The fats, big molecules will break down with the help of the liver liquids or the liver juices only. So the bile juices will not unable to turn the fats. The fats will not be turned. The fats will not be turned. The fats will not be turned into the smaller particles. Because you are taking more fats. That's why we will get a greenish vomiting, that is called bilious and liverish. They are given already prefix liverish, liver, linked to the liver. Bilious, bile juices linked to the liver. Like that, prefix and suffix also written something related to that. Okay? Here also, the vomitings which is common in greenish color, that is called bilious and liverish. And indigestion problem. What's the meaning of indigestion? Proper mastication. What is the meaning of mastication? Chewing the food with the help of the teeth and the mix, the tongue will mix your food. Yes or no? So directly you are eating and drinking water without chewing. What happens? It leads to the indigestion problem. Inside the gastric juices, HCl is unable to digest the food. We'll get gases will come out from the mouth. Okay, the indigestion problem sometimes leads to the constipation problems. Okay, the indigested food will come out from the anus, so unable will come out. That is called constipation. Indigestion leads to the constipation problems. That's why proper mastication you must do. According to the Ayurveda, you must chew 31 times. Okay? Just taking your mouth, that will 31 times you have to chew according to Ayurveda. But it's difficult to do nowadays because within 10 minutes you have to complete our box. That's why you have to follow proper mastication. Okay? It will not lead to the indigestion problems. Unable to break the food inside the stomach. Finally, will enter the small intestine. In small intestine, food will not enter into the blood. Finally, will come out from the anus. is a constipation problem. That's why while you are eating the food, proper mastication, proper water you must take. Proper water after eating of the food, proper water you must take. Okay, so that is called indigestion problem. Indigestion problem. Indigestion problems will be there. Indigestion problems will be there if you want proper mastication. In old age people, there is some more indigestion problem more after 50, after 60, because they won't proper teeth will not be there. And there, okay, that's why. So indigestion problems will be there. Those indigestion problems, when the age increases, it will be more indigestion. Even the constipation problems will be more when the age increases. But below 30 or 25 years, these two problems will not be there, indigestion and constipation, because they are younger one, adults one. That's why they are very active. Their hormones and enzymes are very active. They will do very fast. They will do fast work. Okay, next one we have to, and the next more next one is you will see ulcers. What is the meaning of ulcers? So many members know it. Name ulcer. What is the meaning of ulcers? Ulcers are nothing but there is a damage in the small or larger stomach layers. If you see inside, the stomach one layer will be there. This is called mucus layer. This is called a mucus layer. This is called mucus layer. Generally, this mucus layer will be affected. That is called ulcer. You know the name of the ulcers? That is called peptic ulcers. Why they are given peptic? You know pepsin one enzyme will be there. You page number, just you can see the page number 15. Just observe the enzymes. Enzymes, page number 15 you can see. Page number 15, there is a one chart is given. Page number 15, enzyme chart is given, enzyme chart. Just read that one, read and by heart. You must read and by heart. In mouth which enzyme is there, in stomach which enzyme is there, in the small intestine which enzyme is there. Like that, some chart is given, you have to by heart this one. Okay? So here, ulcer. You know the name ulcer, but meaning. Inside the stomach, there is a one layer will be there. There is a one layer will be there. That is called mucus layer. How it will be, sir? Just open your mouth. In front of the mirror, open your mouth. There is a pink color layer will be there inside your mouth. That is nothing but a mucus layer. Here also, inside the stomach also mucus layer will be there. This mucus layer will be affected by HCl. You know HCl? Tell me what is the meaning, what is the full form? Hydrochloric acid. It is released by the stomach. Why it will release? To digest the food. If food is not there in the stomach, what happens? The HCl will act on the walls of the stomach. What happens? HCl will act on the walls of the stomach. In the walls, what happens? Mucus layer will be there. HCl is the strongest acid. What is the strongest acid? Take one drop of the HCl on your palm. What happens? The burning sensation will be there. Even how the, if any fire, if you touch means what happens? How the bubbles will come? Same bubbles will come on you. So much of burning will be there. That is the strongest acid. Okay, so how the bubbles will come on your palm when you touch hot objects? Same inside the stomach also. Same will be there. Some bubbles like structures will be formed. Okay, this is nothing but the ulcer. Ulcer is formed due to the you are not maintaining proper time. Example, you will take lunch. When you will take lunch? Before 1. Breakfast? Before 8. Dinner? Before 7 according to the doctors. Before 7. If you go any hostel, government hostels, they will serve the food before 7 only. They will start. Generally, nowadays the people who are there, generally if you see, they will take the breakfast in 11 o'clock. They will take dinner in 10, 11 o'clock. This is not the timings actually. Okay, so what happens? The HCl will act on the stomach layers like mucus layers. The mucus layer will be burning sensation. The bubbles will, that is called ulcers. Okay, these ulcers will affect it will make it will increase ulcers means what happens? You get pain. If you eat more spicy food, what happens? On the ulcers will act. Example, you are hurt with some burning sensation, burning will be there. Bubbles are formed. Just take some chili powder and you will do that one? No, because so more burning will be there. Same in your stomach also will be acting like that only. If you eat more spicy food, burning sensation will come. Instead of that, if you take curd, the burning sensation will not be there. That's why doctor will recommend don't eat more spicy food. Better to avoid some time. What happens? It will be cured. If you are neglecting like that, what happens? The ulcers will become, they make holes in the stomach. They make holes in the small intestine. They make in the duodenum like that. The holes will be formed. The more that they will do operation, they will close them. Okay, the ulcers are formed due to the HCl. But now scientists are telling that ulcers are formed due to the bacteria. Recently they found that due to the bacteria only ulcers are formed. One scientist is telling that due to they are not properly maintaining the timings. One scientist is telling due to the bacteria only ulcers are created. Okay, these are the health aspects of the digestive system. These are the health aspects of the digestive system. What should I have to do for to avoid it? Having simple and well balanced meal. Simple, you have to eat simply and a well balanced meal. First point. Second point, eating food in a leisurely manner. You have to eat leisurely. Break, you have to eat proper break. And thoroughly masticated food. You must thoroughly masticate. And the next one is avoid taking violent exercise soon after eating. After eating the food, don't do more exercise, running, jumping like that. Just do walking. Drinking plenty of the water and having regular bowel movements. You have to more drink water once. These all things will be avoided. Now homework is nothing but what you have to learn. In home, you have to practice these all the things. All in previous class I explained about the digestive system. Thoroughly I explained from the mouth to the anus. What is happening inside, all the things. You must learn about the digestive system. Digestive system you must learn. Totally you have to learn. Thoroughly. And after that health aspects. Health aspects are elementary health aspects are elementary. So it is actually heterotrophic nutrition. Already explained. Heterotrophic nutrition. What's the meaning of autotrophic, heterotrophic nutrition? Already explained. The plant will prepare their own food. That is autotrophic nutrition. It is heterotrophic nutrition. In the heterotrophic nutrition topics near to complete. Okay. Thank you.